So here are those Lennox units that I filmed back a while ago, and here's the big one running. This one's actually running this time. I did film this one in the winter, running in heat mode, and it was all frozen up, but I didn't catch a defrost cycle, so for some reason I didn't think to upload the video of it. So anyways, here's a remake video. As you can see, this was a 5-ton from 2001. This is the newer one. It's very quiet. The liquid line's not that warm. That suction line's cold, but not sweating. Must be a little bit low on charge. And here's the other one. I was hoping this one's going to be running too, but at least I got one running. This one's actually from 1996. I honestly don't know that tonnage. I think it's a 4-ton. And here are the lines. Oh, that's the lines to that one. But, yep. Pretty nice units. There's the disconnect boxes. Figured I'd do a video of these. Here's that one's disconnect. Not gonna touch that, but it's actually running. I was hoping to catch one of these running, and whoop-de-doo, I got my wish. One of the bolts is missing for the grill. One thing that I think is very weird about these Lennox units is that the fan blades are extremely close to the fan grill. So, can't really hear it, but it is running. Liquid line's not that warm, and suction line is not that cold. So, this thing is definitely very low on charge. I don't know how though, but it's blowing out some nice heat. So, we'll see if that Everrest Goodman unit is running. Alright, so here's this Everrest unit not running. I figured I'd film it anyways. This is a Goodman made unit. This is a 5-ton, definitely, with that big ass compressor. From 2014. Yep, 5-ton. So, that buzzing noise is not it. I don't know what that buzzing noise is. I hear a buzzing noise. So, figured I'd film this thing still, even though it's not running. But at least I caught that one Lennox unit running. So, yeah, 2014 5-ton unit, 13 SEER. So, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.